everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet. This is a Malibu SS. Gorgeous car, man. Rock solid Tennessee body. The odometer shows 58,000, guys. The miles are supposed to be right, and I'll tell you what, I believe it. Factory red on red car, Ember red, with a factory red vinyl interior. Sorry about our flagpole being in the way there. Sorry, guys. Sun gets down behind the building here. We're shooting late in the afternoon. Pretty car, though, and I'll tell you what, man. A buddy of mine from Tennessee is the one who found this car for me, and he made me go drive it before I shot this video. I'm going to tell you what. This thing runs and drives excellent, nice and tight. Just a good car, man. Jordy drove it yesterday and said, man, it was a really good car. But man, I'm telling you, fun car to drive, plenty of power, aluminum headed ZZ4 GM crate engine underneath the hood, Muncie 4-speed. Just a killer car. Factory tach and gauges. Again, I love the fact that it's a factory red on red car. Chrome and stainless is nice. I saw a couple little, stone packs and touch-up marks. But man, nice car. You can see a couple little dings in your original trim. Pretty car. Yeah, oh, there we go. A split there in the dash, a little sun flame. That's original. That's the original dash. Matter of fact, I believe in the trunk compartment and in the door jambs, I believe it's the original paint. Again, true SS, 4-speed car. I dig it, man. Really cool body style. Touch-up mark there. I like it. Nice car. Really nice car. This is all original, guys, and it is in really nice shape. Again, you can see some, you can nitpick it a little. Man, it's nice. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque for us with the salt flat cap. I love that look. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Just a little dust there, guys. Yeah, this is a cool car. Good looking car. I like the salt flat caps. Pretty paint. And like I say, very impressive when you turn the key and go down the road in this car. Plenty of power, fun car to bang the gears. Again, it's a GM crate engine. You can see it's actually got the center bolt heads on it. GM ZZ4 aluminum headed crate engine. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. I think it's a factory aluminum intake. Got a real nice set of ceramic headers. Power steering, power brakes, Muncie 4-speed, HEI distributor. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. You can see they got the this is a little extra piece that with the bow tie emblems on it. Just kind of finishes off the engine compartment a little bit. Got the chrome dual snorkel air cleaner. Nice car, man. Really slick paint. chrome's nice. Nitpick the trim there a little bit. New mirrors, new door handles. I love the red on red. These are the wrong floor mats for it. I've ordered the right ones. Unfortunately, it's taking us a little bit to get that kind of stuff in, but they're on order. Bucket seats, console, factory Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. $58,704. Factory tach and gauges, AM, FM radio, everything in here works, I'll tell you that. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10 bolt 323 rear end. It's the original paint in here. Look, the original, as I bang my head, the original numbers are still on the quarters. Bang my head on the deck lid here. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good car, really good car. Pretty original underneath. The floors, you know, they're clean, they're nice and clean. There's original floor pans in it. Really just a good car. You see the little door rubber pieces. Tor. I think this is the original paint, guys. Really good looking car. Padded dash, that's an option. See how nice and clean those gauges are. The light on your console works. You already fired it up. Dual mirrors. This thing rips. It gets with the program, guys. Nice little cam to it. Parking brake does work. Jack works. All your gauges up there working, Jordy? Car's got a good sound. Backup lights work. Sounds like fun. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There's a little button here at the bottom you can click on. That way you get a notification every time we post a new one of these videos. Well, that's a nice car, man.